All right, I'm going to do a quick little video to run you through the NetLogo simulation for lesson 11. When Wayne and I first did this, we had a little bit of trouble just figuring out exactly how to make this work. It was a little complicated. The more I run through it, the more I realize it's really not that complicated, but it might help to have a little something to just watch. So I just looked at the worksheet here and I set up everything they asked me to. So I put the number of bacteria that have 3 pores, 4 pores, 5 pores, and 6 pores that they asked here. So it's 4, 8, 12, and 16. This is the last time I'm going to look at these green boxes. I'm not going to record these because these aren't ever going to change. I clicked yes for reproduce and I changed it to 1 hour. It was at 2, I think. Dosage was at 200 milligrams. I knocked it down to 100. I took off auto dosing and I said skip all doses. And also I changed the maximum number of bacteria to transfer to 40. It was at 2. So this manual dose button is what we kind of hit. And as you can see, I just loaded up. So I preloaded this dose of bacteria. So as soon as I hit go pause, that's going to rain down on my bacteria and kill some of them. I had already hit setup reset, which gave me a fresh new population. And once I hit go pause, things are going to move kind of quickly. So I'll talk you through real quick what I'm looking for. Right here is the number of bacteria in patient. Once it gets up over 100, I'm going to transfer the bacteria outside. Now, the first few times we ran through this, we were hitting pause all the time and dosing weird and doing all these weird things. You don't really need to do that because once you get your bacteria that are transferred outside, that's what you're going to record. These aren't changing anymore. They're kind of frozen in time. These keep reproducing, but it doesn't matter. So you're going to take these, record them, and then you're going to infect a new patient, manual dose, and then watch again for this to get over 100 and repeat. So I'm going to hit go pause now. And I can see my antibiotic raining down. And I'm looking here for how many bacteria I have in the patient. So they're starting to reproduce finally, and as you can see, it's over 100, so I'm going to transfer it outside. It's actually right at 100. That's pretty crazy. So now I have this population of 40 bacteria, and those numbers are recorded right here. So what I can do now is take these and put them right into my chart. So I'll say I have 7 3-pore bacteria. Oops, that didn't work. 7 3-pore bacteria, 18 4-pore bacteria, 0 5-pore, and 15 6-pore bacteria. So now that I have that recorded, I can infect my new patient. And while I do that, I'm going to hit a manual dose. So this bacteria, or the antibiotics, is going to rain down on my bacteria and kill a bunch of them. I'm keeping my eyes over here so I can transfer outside again when it gets over 100. So it's getting close now. It goes fast toward the end. So it's over 100. I transfer outside. And again, I'm going to look right here to find out my numbers. So this one went pretty fast. I've got 12 3-pore bacteria, 24 4-pore bacteria, 0, of course, and 4 6-pore bacteria. And then I'm going to infect a new patient and hit manual dose again. So this is my last little time I'm going through this. My bacteria are dividing quickly. And we're getting close, and now we're over 100, so I'm going to transfer outside. And as you can see, once they get in there, I'm going to have, it looks like 13 3-pore bacteria, 25 4-pore bacteria, 0 5-pore bacteria, and 2 6-pore bacteria. So now that you have those numbers, your students can go through, figure out the percentages, and then go in and graph their values I'm just playing now. But again, it works pretty well. It's pretty powerful when they're all sitting in the circle talking about what they saw. So I hope this helped. And I ran it a few times just to see, and it really does. The patterns show up. The only problem sometimes is in the first dose, all the 3 port bacteria just die just by bad luck. So, well, good luck if it's in real life, but bad luck because we wanted to show the change. But it's good to be able to talk about that too. So that's about the only hang up I think we had. If you have any questions, just let me know. Thank you very much.